Good morning, it's EMS Automotive. We are going to now talk about 59 Fords. A lot of you guys have called us, and we're going to go over some floor pans and floor braces today on the 59 Ford. It was a one-year only car, kind of. A lot of interesting things going on here. We're going to talk about the floor braces, and then later on we'll have a special section on the trunk. Okay, coming over here. We're going to take a look at the floor pan as it is. This is a pretty good original one. As we can see, the floor is here just a little rusty by the floor braces. There's your footwell. Obviously they had a little water leak over there. Transmission cover. Now taking a look at that floor, the 59 Ford, the interior floor pan was almost identical to the 57. It's just a little bit differently. A lot of customers have used the 57, told me it works with a little bit of this or that, and we're going to go over that little bit of this or that and show you how to put the 57 Ford floor pans into 59s and why they're almost the same. Now I'm grabbing a floor pan over here, which happens to be, this is the passenger side. I'm grabbing the driver's side. Notice the grooves and everything are similar. Now I'm going to toss this. This cameraman watches me. I'm going to put this floor pan in here. And I get the wiring harness out of the way. And it is almost a perfect fit. Lining up here, you have a little bit of hammering down over here. Okay. Now, floor braces on the front. Cameraman's going to look at that while he's listening to me. The floor braces are almost the same too. So we're going to use the same first row floor brace 57. It's going to be going over here like that underneath, and that fits in there perfect. And then there's a second row floor brace, which goes like this, and just kind of over here like that. Okay. Now we're going to show how the rear floor fits in. Notice the well's a little different. The one thing about the 59 is they have one floor pan for all the cars. Okay, I'm not too sure about the retracts because they only made a very, very few retracts, but the convertibles and the sedans have the same floor pan. That is different in 57, where the convertible and the retract had their own. But like I said, by this time the retract was dying, and they had it for a few years. So we're going to put this floor pan, it is obviously just a little bit of trimming we got to do over here by the doorpost, but this fits. We still got the trim panel in here, so this goes in here. Okay, now the only difference having is a third row floor brace. That is unique to 59, and we don't have it yet, but probably next year or something we'll have it. It's already November of 23, so 24 we'll have that separate one. So in order to do the rear floors, you would just use the rear floor and use the third row floor brace from the 57, which will fit. The only difference is between the years there's a little bit of down in here where it's different. So we would use a 57 floor brace in there to go with the rear floors. You could not put in the rear floors, these rear floors, without changing that floor brace. But in most cases they're rotted out anyways. Okay, and also there's that. Okay, so going back to that. Now the question becomes here, in making this fit, if we're using the stock 59 transmission cover, okay, and their transmission covers don't usually rust out. They usually got hacked up for 4 speeds. This one here just takes a little bit of pounding it down in the air. I mean, I can push it over there just a little bit. If you put the 57 transmission cover in, and you just change the whole floor, it's a piece of cake. Most guys are going to be changing either just the driver's floor or the whole thing. That's usually how it works. Okay, I'm going to grab to the other side Well, the cameraman focuses in on there and tosses the transmission cover in. Okay, the only real difference on the transmission covers is the 59 has a little bump over here that you can't see, and that was probably for one of the newer automatics, the new Cruise-O-Matic. This is a little bit bigger, it has a different hole. It fits fine. So we have it basically two ways of repairing the floors on the 59. We use the front floor only with the floor braces, or if we go to the rear, you change the third row floor brace to the 57, or in this case you can put in that tranny cover, and which is actually a little bit bigger than the 59, so it fits perfectly. And then you can put the all 5 pieces in, and you'll have a floor for it. Okay, we do not have toe boards. Toe boards are different, and that's over here, and we'll be coming out with something for that.